Hey guys, today we will be learning about the quadratic formula and how we can apply it to an equation in terms of finding x. So first let's define the quadratic formula. It is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now that we defined it, let's find out what a, b, and c equals. So let's say we have to solve, for example, 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. And we're trying to find x. But before we do that, we have to first find what our a, b, and c is in this equation. So a would be 4 because a is the number next to the x squared. And b would be negative 12 because b is the one next to the x. And then our whole number without any variable is the c. So basically, we just plugged in numbers for this. So the actual equation would be ax squared minus bx plus c equals 0. And we could use this equation to see what a, b, and c equals. So this is important in memorizing too. So now that we know what our a, b, and c variables are, let's plug it into the equation. So x equals negative b, so negative 12, which is basically positive 12, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so negative 12 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is 9, all over 2 times a, or 2 times 4, which is 8. And let's further simplify this down. So let's bring down our 12, and plus or minus, square root of negative 12 squared is 144, minus 4 times 9, which is 144, all over 8. And let's further solve this. So x can either be 12 plus 144 minus 144 is 0, and the square root of 0 is 0. So 12 plus 0 over 8, or it could be 12 minus 0 over 8, because it's 12 plus or minus the square root of 0. And if we solve these two, it would be x equals 12 over 8 and x equals 12 over 8. So this is how we apply the quadratic formula to an equation and how to find x. Thanks for watching.